shit, bust the gat shit. Puff won't even know what happened if it's done smoothly. Silencers on the Uzi, stash in the hoopty. My alibi, any cutie, with the booty that done fuck Big Pop. Head spinning, reminiscing about my man C-Rock. Somebody got to die. If I go, you got to go. Somebody got to die. Let the gunshots blow. Somebody got to die. Nobody got to know that I killed your ass in the mid. Somebody got to die. If I go, you got to go. Somebody got to die. Let the gunshots blow. Somebody got to die. Nobody got to know that I killed your ass in the mid. Bitch. Filling clips, he explained our situation precisely, so we know exactly what we facing. Some kid named Jason in the Honda station, ragging was bragging about how much loot and crack he stacking. Rock had a grip, so they formed up a clique, a small crew. Around the time I was locked up with you, true indeed. But nigga, let me proceed. Don't fill them clips too high, get them bullets room to breathe. Damn, where was I? Yeah, went out of town, blew the fuck up. D-Rock went home and Jay got stuck the fuck up. Hit him twice, caught him right for the Persian wife. Pistol whipped his kids and taped up his wife. He figured Rock set him up, no question. Wet him up, no less than 50 shots in his direction. How many shots, man, nigga? I see mad holes. What kind of gas? Hitchling cots and calicos. But fuck that, I know where all them niggas rest at. In the building hustling, and they don't be strapped. Supreme and black is downstairs, the engine running. Find a bag to put the guns in and come on if you're coming. Somebody got to die. If I go, you got to go. Somebody got to die. Let the gunshots blow. Somebody got to die. Nobody got to know that I killed your ass in the mid. Somebody got to die. If I go, you got to go. Somebody got to die. Let the gunshots blow. Somebody got to die. Nobody got to know that I killed your ass in the mid. Bitch.
chat. We are back. Where's all my people at? W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Pop out, pop out, pop out. Put you guys up here. What is good? All my people, all my people. Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. Let's go check in on the live stream. Let me make sure it's all up to date. Hello, hello, hello.
Live stream. Let me make sure it's all up to date.
It sounds good. Hope you guys are all doing amazing. Welcome back to another week, guys. One thing that's crazy is actually, I want someone in the chat to tell me first, guys. What's crazy? What's crazy? Someone tell me. What's crazy? Life is crazy. We keep winning, exactly. It's just crazy that we keep winning, guys. It's absolutely insane. If you guys have been a part of the live streams the last couple weeks, we haven't called we haven't caught a single losing trade. I don't want to jinx me. I'm not trying to jinx myself, but guys, we've been calling absolute bangers non-stop every single live stream. So make sure you guys are tuned in. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe. We have a lot to go over. Like I said, I hope you guys had a good weekend. Got to tune in, kick back, relax, enjoy your guys' free time. But as the week starts, we get back into going hard, trying to make these profits. So I'm already 2-0 on setups last night, or not last night, but basically last night on gold, and then this morning during Nasdaq. So we're already starting the week off absolutely beautiful. Let me know how you guys' week is going so far. Let me know. Giro said it's crazy that I blew 2K with you and then I blew my account on my own. That's what I'm saying, guys. You guys should just be literally going, opening an account that you trade just with me. Trade just with me. If any of you guys are looking to open an account, use this account link. Go open an account with Heiko. Use the 200% deposit bonus. If you use that link and you're under my link, you can go and ask them for 200%. If you don't use the link, you only get 100%. So make sure you guys, even if you don't need to make a new email, sign up, use a new email, message them, say, can I use Luca.NoLimit's 200% deposit bonus? And it'll work. But absolute banger setups, like I said, on gold and on Nasdaq, we can go over both setups. It was beautiful. But we come over here. I always let people kind of know beforehand what I'm looking at. You can see gold here. I was kind of looking at this just to respect this supply, come back down, hopefully make a W to continue up. You can see here we kind of just accumulated within these two ranges. I liked kind of this liquidity sweep below. We had a nice trend line forming. As you can see, I kind of got in right at this trend line break just for it to keep going up. I ended up getting that 1 to 3, getting it out, but beautiful setup on that. We go over to then indices, same thing, where I was looking at the trade here, and then as we broke up, got into the trade, and then it just kept going up. So those are the two trades of the week so far. 2-0, absolutely beautiful. And I want everyone else to let me know. Everyone let me know how your guys' week has been so far. It's not easy, but you make it look so easy. It is easy, bro. If you got a strategy and you stick to it, it's pretty easy. Red Dog Guitars just said less trades seem to better your win rate. It's literally so true. It's those little things, guys. Holding your winners bigger than your losses is huge, which is just risk reward, and then less trades will increase your win rate. It is just simple things like that that is so overlooked. But if you guys really think about it and you really pay attention, those are just some of the things that will just so easily improve your trading in all aspects. Make you guys win more, avoid losses and have bigger one. Can't use volume here. He doesn't call the trade in the chat, does he? No. Can someone type and let, let him know? First Luca live, come on. Oh my god, that is so funny. Bro, you have to send me the clip. Cause me and Cabo were there. That is so funny. Yo, Luca, what's up? I saw you on Fusi2's live stream on Saturday. That's so funny. Oh, you saw my car? That's crazy. Bro, can you send me the clip? Yeah, no, I saw Fusi. I said, what's good? Send the clip in here. Small world, right? Just crazy. I'd be seeing everyone out, bro. I'd be seeing everyone out, but Fusi was kind of a random one. He's a lot smaller in person than I thought. I saw him walking around in the streets, and I had walked past him a couple of times. That's why I thought that's maybe where you saw me. But if you say probably saw my car, that's hilarious. Who knows Fusi? You guys know Fusi? A lot of you guys know Fusi. You guys just don't know. I gotta tell Cowboy that tomorrow. Yes, Luca, what's up, my G? What's good? Anyone know if he calls the trade in the chat? Which, please, can someone let him know? I think he can't hear me or something. How's your night going? My night's going good, bro. First stream back, guys. Fresh week. Like I kind of said, guys, we have not lost on stream in probably the last like 4 or 5 trades. So I should start kind of paying attention to it. Like I said, guys, the streaming and the trading with you guys on live is just something I love like to do as kind of a hobby. Doing it on and off. I don't let it like get in the way of me traveling and stuff. Me and Cowboy went down to San Diego this weekend. That was super fun. We hit the Rams versus 49ers game on Sunday. And I bet $5 grand on the 49ers and they lost, which was super amazing. But then we made it back, guys. Literally in the last 2 trades, which was gold last night and then NAS today. Bro, it's just crazy. Me and Cowboy was talking about it, but like, you know, money's fake. You know what I'm saying? Who do you trade with, bro? I trade with, what do you mean? Oh, the broker? I mean, I use Henko. I use Henko right here. It's to me, the web platform is the best one I've been using as of recent, other than MetaTrader. You know, once MetaTrader got banned in the US, I didn't really know what to start using. All the other ones that I was using, I didn't really like. So I've recently, I saw Ollie using it and was asking him about it. He was kind of gatekeeping it for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wasn't using it for the longest time while he was, because I just didn't give it a chance. And then I basically just asked him one day, I was like, yo, bro, like, do you like? And he's like, bro, I actually really like it. He said especially the web terminal, which means that like you doing it on the computer is better than doing it on the phone. And I was like, oh, bro, I'm already on my computer all the time doing it. So, you know, I tried it out and it was super dope. And then once I figured out they had the 200% deposit bonus thing, I started shooting it out to all you guys so you guys can go and take advantage of that, because I know a lot of you guys don't have access to as much capital. What it ends that game too, we don't need to talk about it, guys. Bro, if you guys saw the Rams vs 49ers game, it was crazy. It all got changed because of one play. There was one single little field, or actually it wasn't even a field. There was like a play to IU that was a total pass interference that if that would have played, we would have been in easy field goal range and the field goal to win in, and then we would have won the game. But instead, we missed the field goal, and then we were 2 touchdowns away, or I think a touchdown on the field goal. And the Rams came all the way back to then win it on a field goal in the final seconds of the game. And I lost $5 grand. I thought it was an easy $5 grand. I thought I won it. I literally thought I won the $5 grand easy. And I lost. I want that guy to send me the Fusi clip. That is so funny. Fusi's a legend too. Does Hanko have a phone app to trade off of? It's not an app, but it's just like on Safari. Like I just go on Safari and I have it there, which like, you know what I'm saying? It's not that much different. That's just what I'm using when I'm not on my computer, and I like it. You guys are funny for not helping that one guy who keeps asking. Everybody doesn't want to respond though. What do you guys like? What do you guys think about that new profile picture I have? I kind of just want to like brand this color. Like this color is just me now. Just me. It's mine. No limit color. So I'm gonna start branding it everywhere. Bum bum bum. Too much on a focus. Hey yo, Anthony, chill. Thank you, handsome. Thanks, lover girl. Sheesh. Guys, my aura just like I'm kidding. Bro, should we like I don't know. Alright guys, so let's get a little bit into the charts. A little bit tired today, I can't even lie, just because we had a long ass weekend. But I'm gonna be live all the nights this week, guys, so don't even freaking worry. All you have to worry about is hitting that subscribe button. I also will have a new YouTube video coming out, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But let's check out GJ, guys. We'll check out GJ first, and we'll go over to gold. So we can go to the 4 hour. Actually, we can go to the daily. Go to the daily time frame. You gotta think it's Monday. Sunday had this basically indecision candle, and now we're coming up and broke previous highs. Due to where we are, this is a strong level. If you go to a lower time frame, you're gonna see that we're rejecting a big level of resistance, as well as we're meeting up with a 50 MA on the daily time frame. We go into the 4 hour. You'll see there is a 4 hour supply right here. So I'm basically thinking we're gonna at least get a push up into this area before getting a rejection, and from there we'll see if we get you know, a rejection from there. But as we go to lower time frames, you'll see that we're just getting a clear bullish push into this higher time frame supply, which that's when it gets a little iffy. But I like paying attention to current price and what price is currently doing. So even though we're kind of correcting this leg, I'm a scalper, so I'm gonna scalp buys up into this higher time frame, and if it rejects, it'll reject, and I can try to manage risk from there. But I'm just gonna do my thing as of now, which is look at the impulse leg, which is here. You know what I'm saying? We can fib it up, at least on the hourly. Drop down to like a 15-minute. Once you go to the 15-minute, you can see this supply, not supply but demand. So I'd say really just look for price to come back in a discount and look for further buys. That's what I would look like for a GJ. You can see here we have a low created here at 191.345, and then we have a high created at 191.519, and I would say a retracement at least to, you know, 191.930. That's what I want. And from there we can look for, you know, entry type shit, you know what I'm saying? So that's on GJ, guys. When it comes to gold, gold's just been flying, and the one thing about it is if we go out to like the 4 hour, you'll see that like, what is there to play off of? Nothing. We keep just breaking all-time highs. So as we kind of come in, it just kind of stupid to do anything besides buy. You know, I don't really want to sell yet until I see a clear change of character, because all we've done here is buy. So like, you know, as whatever time you want to go down to, I think you basically just have to fib this leg as well, like GJ, and wait for price to come back down into some sort of discount, for then to look for further buys. Like, does it, like, I don't know, like, we shouldn't sell from there, I can tell you that much, and we definitely shouldn't buy. So I mean, that's kind of it for GJ and gold. Like, they're both really not in the best areas. So let's go scope some other pairs that we could potentially get a better setup on. GA. Oh yeah, GA is continuing down. I actually love this. This market structure has been really nice. We're playing off this fib level as of yesterday. You see here, this was the impulse, the retracement off the 786 perfectly to continue. And now we had the bigger, deeper retracement, equal highs to continue. Let's just remove drawings and come back in. Oh, wait, actually, I want to keep this bigger trend line up. Actually, not really. You can see here that we're starting to reject it, actually. We'll just remove drawing. It's all good. All right, so as we come in here, I don't really want to, like, I think that all these lower highs are really valid. And this last push up right here that took out these highs, I think was enough liquidity to then sweep back up, use this as a supply to continue down, right? So if our direction is confirmed bearish, at least in my opinion, as of now, I would then look at what's already happened and where I can get a potential entry. So I'd come back in. This is the 15, and I would even, you know, mark up current price here. I need price to just pull back into a level of discount for us to potentially take a trade. So you can see here is a beautiful supply right above the golden zone right here, and this is the supply that led to the break of structure. So, you know, I wait for some sort of retracement up into here for further shorts. That's what it looked like. That's what I look for on GA. I'll leave that there for GBP AUD. And if we pop over to USD CAD, guys, USD CAD moves inverse to GU. So go out to the hourly time frame. You'll see here we have this big bearish market, had the pullback, and then the same thing where we're just, you know, making lower highs and lower lows continuing down. If you were to fib this high to this low, have we retraced the discount? Yeah, we actually have. 50% has been hit, which is discount equilibrium. Do you use fib every time? I just really use the fib to determine that if we're in discount. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not going to take the trade if it just is rejecting the 786. Like, oh, I'm just going to get in the trade then. No, it has to be a discount and then set up within discount doing some sort of like W or 3-step or some sort of break of structure, retracement into demand to take it. You know what I'm saying? How do you decide the fair value gap in demand and supply zones? And how to avoid fake outs? Literally what I just explained. So what, it's so funny. What Anthony just said, what I answered to that was then followed up with what MHD said, which is what I'm trying to explain is that, like, when price is not in discount, it's too early. You'll be faked out. Like, this will be the move. Push up, fib, right? And then you'll try to be taking buys all within here, right? Like trying to buy these buy positions. And like buys might be correct, but you're way too early. It has to pull all the way back down to discount. And once you're in discount, these are the areas that you have to look for potential buy positions to then follow the overall move. 202K said I found the clip. I want to see the clip. So funny. Where can I watch it from? To see if like a YouTube I can go back and watch his whole stream from, because I walked past him a couple of times. Do you always apply this? Yeah, so guys, like I get asked a lot of my mentorship too, where like guys, like just because I draw fibs, so like let's say this is the fib direction, just because I draw the fib doesn't mean I'm like, oh, these levels, like, because a lot of fib traders, like when you consider yourself a fib trader, they'll usually focus on the golden zone, the 786, and they'll wait for the retracement, and as soon as it hits it and has any rejection, they're in. Or they'll just set like a limit. Like they'll just set a buy limit right here. All right, it's a sell limit. They'll just set a buy limit and not give a shit because they're just like, whatever. I'm a fib trader. For me, I still have my entry criteria, which is looking for some sort of liquidation to occur and look for a break of structure in the other direction to then retrace into discount to then continue the trade. So here, all I'm fibbing this for is to show you guys. Well, here, actually, I'll ask you guys this question first. What is premium and what is discount? We'll see if any of you guys can even tell me that, and then it'll make more sense. I'm waiting. Y'all been trading with me long enough, bro. All this shows me is that you guys actually, like, when I talk about like maybe premium and discount or equilibrium, or even someone just tell me what equilibrium is. You guys should be taking notes. That's the only way to get better. There we go. Perfect. Our boy Rich IAPC explained it perfectly. So before I get into it, I want everyone in the chat, please, everyone right now, be involved, because the only way to be learning is to be involved, hands-on. Okay, so if you guys all, and I'm asking everyone in the chat, so say yes or no. That's all you have to say is yes or no. Everyone pay attention. If I took you to the store to buy some chicken, would you rather buy the chicken that's at discount, that's cheaper, where you're like paying, you know, less for like the same amount of like same chicken, same poundage, or would you rather pay premium for the same type of chicken, which is at a higher price? Come on, guys, would you rather buy the more expensive chicken at premium, or the chicken that's at discount? Everyone is taking the discount, no doubt. Exactly. So I mean, I hope everyone just says discount. All I'm trying to say is that, like, you want to buy things at a cheaper price, correct? Because you're getting a bigger bang for your buck. Same thing with stocks. If stocks are dumping or crypto is dumping, right? No, discount chicken is expired. Maybe I should have used something different than chicken, but the thing I emphasize is that it's the same chicken. Same organic chicken, same brand, just one's premium and one's at a discounted price. So let's just talk about crypto. Would you rather buy Bitcoin at 60K or 69K, 70K, or at 25K, 29K? That's at discount. You're going to buy it when it's way cheaper because you're going to get a bigger bang for your buck with potential returns, okay? So the whole reason I'm telling you guys this is it's the same with the markets. We're trading a market where it's moved by liquidity. Liquidity is pushed by these big institutions that have a lot of money that are pushing price based upon where they want their money. So if you're a big money trader, and once again, if you're a big money trader, you want to trade with the trend. The trend is bullish and is doing nothing but moving up, right? Well, if you're a big money trader, are you going to try and buy up in here? Are you going to buy on this breakout? Or are you going to wait for a retracement to like look for a further buy, right? Why? Same thing, the premium discount. All you have to identify is if you draw the low to the high, see here? All you have to identify is that if price retraces anywhere below the 50%, that means price is in more of a discount than a premium. You're getting price cheaper because this is the 100% move. If you can be below 50%, you're getting price at a cheaper rate than the overall move. So then see if you can complete the overall, you know, basically leg to continue back up. Okay. This is a big concept of how I trade. And, you know, I love it. After Nas hitting, we buy in premium. Lewis, I love you. Triple OG. So this all started, guys, because you guys asked me about fib. So going back to it, is that the whole reason I fib is that price is going to do its thing. And once it picks its direction, that's all you really have to pay attention to is what's the direction. At that point, I only am fibbing up to show you guys that there may be a supply here. There may be another one here, right? But it does, I mean, not a supply, a demand. But you only want to pay attention to the ones created under the 50%. In the golden zone, or down here in the 786, whatever it may be, these top ones are the fake outs. When the guy asked me earlier, like, oh, how to avoid fake outs? This is what happens, is price is going to retrace, and you're going to buy here, at this breakout right here. You're going to buy, stop loss below, aiming like this, right? Because you saw this breakout right here, and then what's going to happen? Boom, stopped out, go into this lower demand, right? And you're going to see the same thing occur right here, and you're going to try and buy again. Same type of thing. What's going to happen? You're going to get into profit, and then back down, right? And now what? You're now in discount. You're back below the 50%, which is, this is where you usually get the moves. Liquidation, break a structure, boom. And then these are the actual moves we want to get into. When we see all these people getting stopped, stopped again, stopped. Oh, now we're in discount. Oh, boom. Now we're having to break a structure. Retracement. Dang, I'm going to take this trade in discount to continue the trade in the overall direction. Does that make sense? Everyone, I need everyone to, if that makes sense to you, put a 1 in the chat. I saw you hit that gold trade on YouTube live a few weeks back. It was a home run. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Yeah, I mean, I do the same thing. The same thing I'm trying to teach you guys here. I apply it and it hits, and then we all make money together. What do you look for when it gets to those zones? I look for some sort of liquidation. I look for a break of structure back in the, you know, the right direction, and I wait for a pullback into premium, into discount, to continue. It's in the notebook. Yes, sir, Reginald. How you doing, bro? Good to see you. 202K, you said you found the clip and then you never sent it. Guys, do you guys see the type of like sauce I give you guys on the live streams? I'd be here just charting it up, just absolute, just like, come on. Gems. It's here, Luca. I want to see it, guys. I've learned so much value from your videos. Thank you so much, bro. Appreciate it. If any of you guys have learned from me and, you know, like how I teach and all this type of stuff, I would really recommend, or I mean, not recommend, I would really appreciate if some of you guys go and maybe check out my free Discord or check out the free trading journal, and then leave me a positive review. I would really, really appreciate it. I come here and do this for free for you guys. All I ask in return is if you guys take 5 seconds to go and click on one of these, check it out, and then leave me a review on WAP. You know, or even if you've been in one of the other ones, I would really appreciate it. 202K, I haven't seen it. I don't know if you said it's here, Luca, but I don't see it anywhere. Maybe send it in the Discord. Maybe send it in the Discord if I can't see the link here, but I want to see the link. I don't see it right now. If you a bat, fuck it up. Like what? Alright, yeah. I'll check Discord right now. Discord opening. What up, Salva? Salva, can you send the Discord link? Guys, make sure you guys are part of the Discord. Actually, the Discord should be linked below. If it's not, I'm a scrub. Wait, live. Well, that's not the one right now. Free Telegram. Wow, that's crazy. It's not. I'm gonna go back and start putting that in. That's so funny. If you a bet, look at it. But I have Discord open, so send it into like the general chat room or something. Oh, he did send it. Alright guys, let's check it out. Apparently I was in Fusi's clip.
I only like to go in here if they're gonna let us go in here is the only thing.
Where's that?
Wherever Anna Ridgeway girl is.
Yeah, no, but where is that?
That's so funny, chat. Look at that.
Wherever Anna Ridgeway girl is.
Where was I?
Yeah, no, but where is that?
I don't know. I'll look it up. Let me see how far it was before I make a decision. At least with them, that's better content. Oh, it's a half a mile away.
Let's see if he's for money.
It's not even that far.
Wait, what did he say?
It's not even that far.
Let's see if he's for money.
Oh, damn! That makes me feel hella. Damn, that makes me feel hella good. Do you guys hear what he said? I want to see if anyone can make it out.
Let's see if he's for money.
It's not even that far.
Asian money is almost, and that's why I thought it was at first, but no, listen closer.
Let's see if he's for money.
It's not even that far.
Come on, that makes me feel hella good. Damn, W, bro. Fuck, we made it. W flowers. Little teenager money? No. He says, I love seeing with money. I can't say the word, but listen. He goes like this. You see his face go like this. Like right when I drive off, he goes. He says, I love to see, you know, that word, people with money.
At least with them, that's better content. Oh, it's a half a mile away.
Obviously, that Porsche's hard.
Let's see if he's for money.
It's not even that far.
That's hard as hell. I love. Put the clip longer. How did you clip this? How did you clip this yourself? Like, how'd you clip it? Let's see. No, did he? Damn, how'd you see? Were you just watching his live, or is this like its own clip?
Yeah, no, but where is that?
I don't know.
Do y'all like my Porsche?
Let me see how far it was before I make a decision. At least with them, that's better content. Oh, it's a half a mile away.
Let's see if he's for money.
It's not even that far.
Hey, all I gotta say is I'm the same way. I say the same shit to all my homies. I love seeing people like that with money. You know why? Because I just know they worked hard for it. What's up, Luke? How's it going? I'm doing good, bro. I was watching the live and saw your Porsche and then went back to your and made the connect. You a bad look at that. I'm like what? That's so funny, bro. Shout out to you guys. Spotted. So funny. What was this on gold? Shit, I done put up the whole program. Look at that. I was like, no fucking way, I just saw Luca. Bro, there has to be a clip of me like walking by earlier and shit too, because I walked by him. Your Porsche is one of a kind, bro. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. I want to give such cap. Get some W's in the chat, gang. Let's see who's active here. Spam some W's. Spam the W's in the chat. Let's get people going crazy. Take a video. More W's in that chat. Every single person here to put some W's in the chat. Make sure you guys aren't missing out on another week, bro. Banger live stream. Shout out to everyone who is here. W's in the chat already, guys. Going over everything. Stop missing out on all the free sauce on the live streams, guys. Click this link. I'll see you guys next time. If you a bet, look it up. It's your toe. Like what? Drumstick? Who said drumstick? Alright. GJ. What's GJ doing? Yeah, guys, I mean, Gold and GJ are both. Oh, look at Gold. Gold just got an instant pullback to discount. Damn. Alright. Well, thanks, Gold. Gold will give us some fun tonight. Damn, that shit was crazy, gang. I can't believe I was in Fusi's clip. We literally saw him walking around and I was like, what's good, bro? Said what's good real quick. He was like, Luca.NoLimit? He's like, bro, I take your signals. I was like, for real, dog? I'm totally kidding. Imagine. So speaking of signals, guys, if you guys want to take the same signals as Fusi and why he's so successful, click that link and come get with the gang. Yeah, feel me? He will someday, dude, for real. Reginald, how you been, bro? Bro, I didn't see you on the call today. We need to get you back. Yeah, so Gold's more tradable now than GJ. Shit. I done fucked up the whole program. Wait, what did GA just do? What the hell? Instant change of character though. I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. $10 to open. We got 10 minutes until the new hourly candle. I don't consider letting it open for another hour and 10. How do you do when to look for a reverse row continuation? Breaks a structure. Determine if it's a change of character or break a structure. So when I see this move right here, like I just look at like, you know, this move up and then this big move down. Once we liquidated these lows and had an immediate change of character, I now look for it to be in, you know, and then instead of thinking it's bearish, I now think it's bullish due to this change of character from us sweeping these prior lows over here. Now break a structure, change of character, retracement, bada bing, bada boom, continuation. We'll see. Is this the 5,000 free crack? What is good, Demos? Shout out to boy, long time no see. How you doing, G? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for coming through. Shout out to the boy. What's up, brother? I'm doing well, bro. Just freaking doing me, streaming. Pretty crazy. I mean, I've been trading really well lately. This last month's been really, really good. Kind of locked in, you know. I think it's been the reflection of locking in with the gym as well as locking in with the mentorship. I'm doing like a mentorship thing right now. So just be on top of that and checking out their homeworks and really like teaching. Teaching has kind of been sharpening kind of the tool again, you know, where I've just been trading good, you know, only waiting for my setups instead of just being kind of dumb. So just the life of a profitable trader, brother. No, I'm kidding. Profitable who? Not me. Barely. Damn near barely. Kidding. Totally kidding. Y'all saw me make 3K today during not with Nasdaq. That was nice. Luke, you should go to Mammoth Lakes. Yeah, I could, bro. I think after this mentorship, I'm gonna go on a mini trip somewhere. I'm thinking Mexico. Go on a nice Mexico trip, you know. Big dope, you know me, man. Spinning too many places, not enough. Yeah, spinning that place, not enough. I like that saying, bro. I like that saying. Kind of dope. Shit, I don't put out the whole program. Good morning, Luca. Good morning, Tony. Good to see you. Here's a bad. We can review the Nasdaq trade from this morning, guys. Still kind of in profit, but basically, all I kind of did was as I came to the markets this morning, I noticed price was in this uptrend, and then we took out the New York highs to immediately dump. So I wouldn't say this goes against my rules because I understood the overall direction. But when it comes to the Asian session liquidity strategy, I always say that you always want to take the trade in confluence with the direction. So here, you see here that we dumped off, had the retracement up, took out the highs to then continue back down to the lows. So usually that's like that's the trade, is that once we get the pullback, we take out the highs, you take the shorts once it breaks the 5-minute lows, tight stops above the highs, and then you aim for the session lows. That would have been a beautiful 1 to 3 setup. All right. So that happened not during a trading time that I trade 850. Like, yeah, no thanks. Between 850 and 9, I mean 9 and 10, not 850. 9 and 10, I don't trade. I start trading at 10. So you can see here we had the dump down and we came and took out session lows. But all I did was I went down to the hourly time frame and I saw kind of this, once again, just market structure. We'd come up and made a low. And I was like, you know what? We could respect this low and get some sort of bounce, because as I went down to lower time frames, I understood that we did dump and we did come back up. But the chance of us just dumping from here to the lows isn't as probable. We could get a reaction here. So as I went to the lower time frames, like I said, I was like, let's see if we can get a reaction. Dropped down to the 5. Saw us kind of come with this candle, take out the lows. And then this 5-minute candle close is kind of like an indecision, you know, bullish candle. I went to the 1 minute, and then once I was on the 1 minute, I drew this downtrend line as well as kind of like this uptrend. And I saw price kind of come break out for the buys here, kind of come retrace in. And as we kind of broke again, just bought. And then you could see here, we just kind of channeled up. Looks like we missed TP2 by like a hair. But I told everyone to, you know, when price is almost up here at TP2, I said this. So TP2 about to hit, feel free to close partials and stops to break even. So I'd close partials in that position. Actually, I closed the full position. I meant to close partials. I don't know if you guys saw on my Instagram story, but I was going to close partials on the video, and I ended up accidentally taking the whole position. So it's all good. I would have went stops to break even. The price would have hit me break even before, you know, rocketing some more. So it's all good. Gold is tanking. Dang. Check it out. Crazy. I don't know if anything just came out, if there's any news or anything that just came out about it. No. Alright, 23rd. I feel like September went by fast. Do you guys feel like September went by fast? What are your guys' thoughts? It was September 1st, 6 hours ago, literally. Summer flew by, I know. I had a pretty fun summer, so. But yeah, I did feel short. Crazy how the year is almost over, I know. We accomplished a lot this year though, so. Guys, I want to take over YouTube. You guys really need to like motivate me by like commenting, showing love on all the videos and shit. So I can just keep putting it out. I got a new one dropping this week. I don't know if anyone watched my video from last week, but I would love if you could to go leave some likes and subscribes. We'll go here. You guys should have already been watched this and commented. You know what I'm saying? Me and Cowboy, that shit was so fun. Can't even lie. So now that we've retraced, guys, yes, we haven't really swept the Asia low yet. I mean, we can wait for it. Mark up that low. I'm dumb. Definitely wait for that on gold. Crazy. Stack it up. Stack it up. Stack it up. Cash. It was in Ferrari. Driving it fast. Salvo, what's up, brother? Guys, click that link and join. Use code SALVA for 10% off. Like what? It's free money. Unless you're trading demo. Even if you're trading demo, I always say this, is that if you're in signals, you should be trying to learn from them. Every signal that is sent, you guys should be seeing why it was entered, why the trade was won, or why the trade was lost. You can learn from it. So then, you know, the whole goal is to get out of signals. Learn from them, then dip. That's why I love doing the mentorship and teaching now, is that I'm teaching them to be able to do it on their own while they still get them. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you do the mentorship, you not only get access to the course, you don't only get Zooms with me for 30 days, but you also get lifetime to the signal room. So it's just, you know. Was I still asleep? I feel you. We're not missing much as of now. Gold, we can get into some crazy trade. I kind of see this trend line, like this. You know what I'm saying? You can see. If the buys play out from this level, I'm gonna be so mad and be like, what the fuck? We'll wait and see. Crash out. Crash out. Crash. What's the update on that live account? What live account? Do I owe you a live account? That's good. $748 Ferrari. Driving it fast. Henko. Oh, mine? Let's pull it up. We are at 37, brother. Almost 38 now. You guys saw me with it at 34. One of the things I did do is I changed the account type, which helped me with the spreads and commissions, but the only reason is because I've never traded with Henko before, and I don't know if you guys have gone and checked, but they have a bunch of different account types. But wait, did I say 47? I meant 37. 34 to 37. You guys saw me take Nas this morning. And yeah. So oh wait, can you guys see it? I don't know if you guys see it or not. Oh yeah, no, you guys can see it. So yeah, now we have a new ECN Plus account, and you guys can basically watch it and see the growth. You guys can see the account balance now. You'll see it tomorrow after I take some trades, or tonight if I take some trades. And if we guys take a trade together, I usually enter it live with you guys on here on the live stream, so you guys will see. Nas is still up. Let's go over to the I was about to say GJ, but it's not even likely. GJ is so ugly right now. This is what the web terminal looks like, guys. I don't know if any of you guys have seen it before, but it's pretty nice. I personally enjoy it. I think it's a good thing to use. So yep. Do you prefer live or funded? Bro, it really depends on how locked in I am. And it might sound crazy because I should be locked in 100% all the time. But if I'm being completely honest, having more funding, I'm talking like 500k to a mil, going for lower percentages is pretty G. The only thing with it is in running into the profit splits, if there's problems waiting for the pay, you know, there's like all these other things that come with prop firms. Whereas with live accounts, you withdraw and you know, you get it whenever you want. I could take a trade this morning when I made that 3k on Nas, I could just withdraw right now type shit. You know what I'm saying? So I would say that's kind of the only difference. I'm trying to work up until I just have like, I mean, you guys are going to see me turn this account into, I mean, it's going to be at 100k pretty soon too. Pretty soon. We'll probably be starting 2025 with it up, you know, probably around 50k. Oh no, wait, what? It's already 3 months away. No, we're already going to probably be up there. I'm hoping I already have it way above that by then. What I'm talking about. I keep thinking the year's almost ended because of what you guys are saying. Now we still have a couple months. Where do you start? Literally at 34. I literally just had started it recently. I took a couple losses on it, but then, you know, it was just back and forth, and now we're up. So also getting used to the risk as well. You know what I'm saying? Doing the proper lot sizes. Like today I did a 10 lot where I should have actually went higher on that Nas trade. So yeah, so like I said, we're at that 37.40 mark. I don't know why I said 50. We'll be at 50 within maybe even this week. And then once we're at 50k, I'm trying to like 75 and 100. I'm not really trying to up my risk on the way up. That's one of the things that people do that kind of can hinder them and suck, is that like they'll have a 20k account and they'll risk 2k a trade, but as they get up to 70k, to start risking 7k a trade instead of that 2k still, and then you know your losses just end up being so big where it just eats up your wins really quick if you're not careful. That's my 2 cents on it. If you hit 20% a month, that's 63,000 by January 1st. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm gonna be doing that pretty soon because I keep, like I said, I keep mixing up the percentages in my head because I haven't grown a larger live account like this with you guys live in a little bit. Whereas when I'm doing the fundeds, when I'm talking percentages with you guys, it's so easy. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about a 300k or 100k. Talking about the percentages is really easy, but when we're talking about like the 35k account, or you know, now that it's like 37, trying to like calculate what I want to risk, you know, because I'm trying to risk around 3k a trade, being completely honest, a little bit aggressive, but 10%. Damn, should I risk 3k a trade? That's just what I've been doing, but like I said, I've been mis-risking, which has been kind of annoying, kind of like a rookie. You guys want to know why? Because I have in my mind thinking, oh, all right, I'm gonna enter my funded, I'm gonna do my usual lot size. Because now it's like down in my head when we're talking fundeds. But like this morning with Nas, when it came to like how big my stop loss was, I should have been doing a larger lot size, and I did a 10 lot, and it still played out, and I still made good money. But I could have made a little bit more. I think I should have done like a 12 or something like that. 12, 15. So it was just impulsive. Kind of rookie mistake on my end. But hey, guess what? I tell it how it is. I'll tell you guys all the truths. I'm not here saying, oh, I'm the perfect trader. I'm actually going to turn that account into $100 million by the end of this year. Yeah, no, bro. You guys are going to see it live. Y'all going to see the growth. Y'all going to see us going crazy. It's going to be fun. Hope you guys enjoy it. You should do $100 to $1,000 challenge and so on. That'd be get some good content. Probably not $100, but I'll do like 1,000 to maybe 10,000. I could do that pretty quick. I gotta remember, like, it's just funny because I had to come and remind you guys that like I really be doing this shit, and like I don't really talk my shit like that. But if we're talking like for real, I've been live trading on this YouTube since 2021 for so long. So many wins, so many losses. But then I kind of stopped doing it for a little bit. I kind of stopped live trading. I wasn't doing as much. I stopped doing live streams as much. And then guess what? I popped back out, and now we haven't called a losing live trade in the last like probably 5 or 6 trades. You know what I'm saying? Knock on wood. I don't want to jinx it, but I had to come remind y'all what's good. Put me up against anyone, bro. Put me up against ICT. I don't give a shit. You know, ICT watched that video that I did with Titans of Tomorrow. ICT knows who I am now. Isn't that crazy? I don't know if you guys saw, but yeah, I know ICT like tweeted about it or something, and it had to do with me because I don't know if you guys watched that podcast, but the beginning of the beginning of my podcast with them, they used a clip from ICT saying, "Oh, smart money traps, like, oh, please make more videos about it." And then it cuts into me saying like, "Oh, I just am waiting for smart money people to get stopped out, and then I get into those positions." Why? Because I've been seeing a lot of supply and demand zones being manipulated. So I'm looking at those as liquidity zones, they're getting manipulated, and I'm waiting for them to get stopped out, and I'm taking the trade. So that's all I was trying to say, ICT. I hope you're watching. That'd be sick if he popped in one time in the chat. Love that guy. That'd be sick. I think you guys forget that like he's still out there. He's still commenting on shit. He's still lurking around. Like he's a real person. Are you going to do a meetup again event? Yeah, we're looking to do it. You know, Mamba just moved. We'll figure stuff out, whatever. But I was on the call. I was on the phone with Wesley for a while. And he said that he wants to do another one as well. I know everyone had a good time. How many live accounts do you got? The only live one I have right now, oh, including prop firms. I have a couple prop firms as well, but the only live account one is the new one I opened with this new broker, Hanko, and it's it's at almost 38,000 now. But that's the only live broker one I have, and then I have a couple through Clarity, and I have one more through a different firm. That's it. Not that link. I want to send the other link. Here's the link to the broker, guys. I keep telling you guys about Hanko. I hope, you know, I tell you guys to at least try it out. If you guys don't like it, you could let me know and be like, oh, Luke, I just don't like it. But how long does Clarity pay out, Luca? How long does it take to pay out? I don't know. I've been hearing some stuff that's been taking them a little bit, which is obviously kind of annoying. I'm not going to be on here and like lie to you guys, but I still, you know, trust them. If you guys have problems, you guys can message me or message Wesley. But I heard that's the only kind of con, is that it's not as automated, where I don't know how to put it, like you gotta wait for them to take it out of the account, send it to you. I mean, I guess it doesn't sound that long, but for some reason it's taking a while for them. See, if this would have played out somewhere over here at the lows, different story. Time's 11:15. Guys, everyone right now, who's here? First off, you personally still trade on Clarity? Yeah, I still trade on Clarity. That's what I'm saying. Oh, it signed me out because fucking you guys know my account got banned today? Did I tell you guys about that? I was so sad. And the reason I was sad is this, guys. Alright, so, quick story. When you get your account banned, you'll get like an email saying something like, oh, we disabled your account because of, you know, these reasons or whatever. And then it'll give you an option to appeal. So usually in the past, I mean, I pay monthly to have basically special support to help me make sure, you know, help me get my account back if anything's wrong, etc., etc. And in the past, the last couple times my accounts have gone banned, it's worked. I'll message them, it'll take like 10-15 minutes, and I'll get an email saying, hey Luca, your account, like, oh, you're taking down, it was our mistake, here you go, welcome back, your account's back. And I can go log in and it'll be fine again. But today I got super scared because my account got banned. I went to try to find the support and message them, and I messaged them. Their response was not as helpful and stuff as usual. And I was like, what the heck? What do you mean? Like, you know, I was like, you guys can clearly see I've messaged you guys literally 8 other times about this same instance. Like, what do you mean? You can't help? And then they're like, oh, we're waiting on our team to respond, whatever. I get an email saying, after I appealed, and instead of it being like, oh, Luca, we got your account back, it said, bro, I'll actually just show you guys so you guys know I'm not capping. I'm just gonna show y'all. Crazy. Why isn't that popping up? What the heck? That's so weird. It basically said this. Oh, it's a backward for you guys. That's super annoying. I got an email saying we reviewed your account and it found it still doesn't follow our guideline. As a result, your account has been permanently disabled. So when I got that email saying my account got permanently disabled, I started freaking out because I thought that I fucked up, and that because I appealed and then got it wrong, that they just fucked me over. But then thank God I kept messaging them and got it back. I don't know, it was just scary. That's kind of a dumb thing. Hey, well, guess what, guys? We were on Fusi's thing anyway.
Okay, let's go.
We're winning somewhere.
I only like to go in here if they're gonna let us go in here. Is the only thing.
Where's that?
Wherever Anna Ridgeway girl is.
Yeah, no, but where is that?
That's crazy.
I don't know. I'll look it up.
It's just crazy. Not even because like,
is.
you know, because I was there and I saw him. It's just crazy that like, I'm fine. I don't know. I'm just mixed in, like, bro, I'm down here in SoCal. Like, I'm from NorCal, guys. I'm not from down here in SoCal. So I'm really down here, like, living that SoCal lifestyle, just being around streamers, being around content creators, and also being at, like, a level where, like, I could be on another stream but still get pointed out type shit. Shout out 202 1K or whatever. Gangster. Could you react to Big Dog's Humankind? Yes, I can. All right, guys, I'm also going to add something. Is Nick here? Is Nick here? Is Nick here? Is Nick here? Let me text him. Guys, I'm adding a section to the Discord where you guys can send links to stuff you want me to react to. So I can make reels and make cool stuff out of it, you know? It'll be fun. We need McCaffrey back, bro. Tell me about it. We need a lot of them. We need back. I need y'all to go run this shit up, bro. Just let me click on it. No, this isn't even my account. I don't want to, bro. Just let me. All right, everyone go. Everyone go and comment on this picture. Oh my god, I'm gonna freak out. Hate when I get signed out. Everyone go like and comment on this picture right here. Shows my little Nas trade from today as well as a couple other flicks. You guys are even in it. I put a video of you guys in it. You guys maybe go and see your name in the chat, but go comment on it real quick. Guys, we're getting into the second to last week of this mentorship. I'm gonna do another one towards the end of October into November. Get you guys dialed in to then start the new year freaking just off to the races. Who here's gonna be a part of it? Put a 1 in the chat, bro. A bunch of you guys should be a part of it. What in the chat? What in the chat? I see those 2 1s, yes sir. I'll try Amigo. I work full time plus football practice. Yeah, crazy. All good, bro. I was just seeing. Hey, if there's only 2 people, it's all good, bro. It's whoever wants to better themselves. You know what I'm saying? And take their trading to another level. All of you guys look up to so many traders who all tell you guys like, oh, I was not doing well. I wasn't doing the best trade until I got a mentorship. Once I started doing that, I was able to change my trading, tweak things, and then I became profitable. You've heard that from so many people. Me, Dollar, Emmett, you know, Mamba, Lambraul, fucking anyone you can think of. Yeah, you guys just don't want to do any type of mentor. It doesn't even have to be me. But I do recommend any of you guys to go and do some sort of program to dial you in. For sure, for sure. For sure. But I hope you guys don't freaking mind. My back is hurting. I have to do one thing and call one person before London Open. I'm gonna be up trading tonight and then waking up and doing trading with the mentorship. So I'm gonna be heading out of here, guys. You guys have like 1-2 more minutes to ask me any questions. If not, I'm gonna end it. But I'm gonna be back on stream tomorrow, so you guys may miss me. but it's all good because if you guys come back at the same time tomorrow, your boy will be here to chop it up. No entry on gold tonight, guys. This obviously didn't happen at any type of point of interest. Are you still looking for gold longs? I wouldn't look for longs here. The only way I'd look for longs, guys, is sweeping this Asia low. You see this box? If we come down and do some sort of manipulation, I really like that it stalled this low too. Now we have this low to take out, come down, change a character, come back up. That's the only trade I would really take on Nas. On gold. GJ still is not even in discount, so in my opinion, I'm not really trying to touch that. GA had a big change of character. We had a retracement, didn't quite hit the 50%, doesn't look like. To continue, we could actually just move this up even more. Full kit. Into here. And we'll see. Have a good night, man. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Be tuned into the Instagram, guys. Please be following, comment on all this stuff. New YouTube videos, so be tuned in for that. And you know, I challenge you all to go and I really challenge you all to go out and just follow your trading plan tonight. Write down right now, when I get off this live, everyone take out a notebook. Take out your pen. I want you guys to all go write down your trading plan, all the steps, right? And then just follow it. It should really be that simple, guys. The only time you guys are losing is usually when you guys are simply just not following your plan, trading, you know, at bad times, going against your rules. So, you know, write it down, stick to it, and you guys will be able to get it. You know what I'm saying? Profitability is not that much farther than you guys think. Trading is really, like, if you think about it, if you get into a position, you have a 50-50 chance of it hitting stop loss or take profit for a 1-to-1. Not everything, but in the majority of the time, if you have a 1-to-1, 25 point stop loss, 25 pips take profit, you guys have a 50-50 chance of it hitting either. The only thing in between is where you're closing the trade based upon your emotions and your feelings and all that type of shit. So my biggest advice is hold your winners a lot longer than your losers. Risk to reward is so key. Keep the same risk to reward. When you take a loss, when you take that second loss or that third loss, it should be for that same amount. Don't change up risk. And then stick to one pair, guys. One pair, one session. Good risk management, and you guys will be able to do it. Appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for tuning in. God bless. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Love you all. Love you all more than you know. W's in the chat. W's in the chat for the end. Appreciate y'all. You all the goats. I'm gonna tell my kids this was ICT. I'm gonna show my kids all my live streams from like 2022 and tell them it was ICT. No, I'm just fucking with y'all. Love y'all so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.